Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to change the number of minutes before the Brave wallet automatically locks. This setting helps enhance security by ensuring that your wallet locks after a certain period of inactivity. Let's get started. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the left sidebar, select Web3. Scroll down to find the Automatically Lock Brave Wallet option. Select the number of minutes you want before the wallet automatically locks. If you prefer to keep it unlocked indefinitely, set it to 0 minutes. However, for better security, it is recommended to set a reasonable auto-lock time. Once you have chosen your preferred time, simply close the settings page. The changes will be saved automatically. That's it. You have successfully changed the auto-lock time for the Brave wallet. This simple adjustment helps secure your wallet by ensuring it locks after a set period of inactivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips and guides. Thank you for watching.